Myself Shalini Lovan. I completed my engineering in Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering in the stream of CSC, and in 2021 pass out, and I got placed as a software engineer with the 4 lakh package. And about the Jspider Rajajinagar, it is a perfect place for operating skills and a best place to learn and build our career. I have got a very good knowledge in this by this institute. And about faculties and HR, I would like to thank Uday sir, Bhuvan sir and Sharik sir for providing the depth knowledge about the topics. And it was a very informative training session, and the course content got very well covered, and also the demonstrated the concept very well. And thanks for the HR and everyone for their wonderful support.